Kinkdiva and I am Precious Irabu, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to extract aloe vera from aloe vera plant. So the first thing you want to do is to wash your aloe vera plant. Then you cut off the stem, take it out of the bowl. The next thing you want to do is just cut them into sections. After which you're going to use your knife and peel off one of the leaf end. And then after you're done peeling off one of the leaf end, you use a spoon and you scoop the aloe vera gel from the aloe vera plant. So this process is pretty easy. You guys should just watch how I do it. And after you've extracted the aloe vera gel, you're going to whisk it and add your natural hair oils. When you add your natural hair oils, you whisk it again, and after that you are so good to go. And you can use this as your hair treatment regimen for the weekends when you want to work on your scalp and you want your scalp to get some nutrients, how it would grow, how it wants to grow, better. You just give it what it needs and all that you have to do. So you guys just watch and watch and watch. It's pretty easy. It's something everyone can handle. Alright guys. So this is a whisking process. You have to whisk the aloe vera gel after extraction and make sure it breaks even. It shouldn't have any cubes in it. It shouldn't have any congealed gel. Everything should be slimy, as you can see. Just keep whisking until you're through. So now I'm done whisking, and mine is as nice as it is. It's really slimy. There's no cubes in it or congealed gel in it. So I'm going to add my jojoba oil from Life Naturals. I love this oil. This oil has been like the bomb for me this season. So I'm going to add this to the aloe vera gel. Jojoba oil has a lot of hair nutrients. It revives your hair. It makes your hair, stronger. Makes your roots even more able to grow more hair. It just gives your hair most of the nutrients it needs to be better. So I'm just going to whisk the two together, whisk it until I think it is evenly, mixed. I'm just going to keep doing that. This is what it looks like. It looks really nice. So you apply this to the roots of your hair, you massage your hair, you put on a shower cap for like 15 minutes, and then you can take it off and wash your hair. If you do this for about 3-4 weeks, you'll see a reasonable result.